Welcome back. Be your own boss YouTube channel. You know what we talk about: passive income, side gigs, mobile apps, anything to help you level up out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. You see the title, you see the thumbnail. We're gonna jump right into it. A great major company to partner with, and they're allowing you to be your own boss and use their platform, their over 100 years of package delivery experience and customer service. None other than UPS has a partnership program called the UPS Service Partners, where you can pretty much buy your own fleet, or if you have your own fleet already, hire your own drivers and start delivering and picking up UPS packages. It's pretty much that simple. Of course, the pay depends on a route that you're going out on. I have been in contact with UPS about this, some of the things they're looking for. This is the website you actually go to apply for the program where I did, and um, so a rep reached back out and let me know some of the requirements and some of the things that they needed exactly. But on the website, it does have some more information what they're looking for. So you don't have to have a brand new fleet of vehicles, but they do send you through a like a strict, I guess, service to make sure that your vehicle's up to par. So if you got vehicles probably over 10 years old, some of the things on the vehicles probably wouldn't work out. But 5 or 6 year old vehicles, vans or trucks should work just fine. There's no requirement on size of vehicle, but each route has a number of packages that you have to deliver. So you do want at least a cargo van or larger. So like I said, no franchise fee, no upfront money you have to put up to them, other than having your own fleet and having your own drivers and insurance, and workman's comp and all those things, which can be quite expensive. Trust me, I know from being a business owner, running a business myself. But this is a great opportunity to partner and start your own transportation business, guys, or to level up from running those 1 or 2 vans. You and your buddy, you and your business partner, spouse may have a small time business, and this is a better way to level up and gain more business, gain more traction by going through the UPS Service Partner Program. Here is the application. They have a UK base, so for my international viewers out in the UK, mate, you can get your UPS on out there too. But they just want your company name, email, information like that. Goes to the next screen. They want to know how many delivery vehicles do you currently operate? How many drivers? Do you have plans to grow? Which type of vehicles? Like I said, standard white vans or the larger sprinter vans? How many years of operation? Of course, so they got a lot of these UPS service providers in your area, and you get on the waiting list. Some of these factors may come into play on how you get picked above another company, another business. So make sure you have all your ducks in a row. Always go with the larger sprinter vans if you can afford them. But if you cannot, if you find a great deal on a smaller white van, then go ahead and go with that. Get it on the road. What service will you offer? You can do express, parcels. If you got larger truckloads, you got space, you can do some warehousing. And then you pick your city where you are. Does your company have any warehouse for sorting facilities? You probably can get more money if you do have warehousing. And basic insurance and things of that nature was all they want to know. So go ahead and fill this out if you're looking to expand your van, box truck, cargo van business and grow with UPS. Remember, be your own boss.